Why no one is buying? So is that your question when it comes to email marketing? I remember when I first do email marketing, I send promotional email every single day. And guess what? Yeah, no one is buying. So for a long time, I think email marketing is just kind of scam, right? And it doesn't work. So, but one day I sent email and I made one sale. So I was so surprised because for a long time, no one's buying from my link. So I say, okay, I got to check out what is that. So I checked the email I sent and I found the only difference between that mail and other mails I sent before is I have a link to my blog. And that's an aha moment for me because not because of the blog. It's because when people are seeing my blog, they know who I am because I have a professional picture and have a really great content on my blog. So that's the time I realized if they don't trust me, there were no reason for them to buy from me. So that's the day I realized how important it is to build trust with your list before you even promote anything. So today I want to share with you 6 tips you can do to build a trust with your list, right? So the first one is you want to use real photos. So there are 2 kinds of photos you can use. The first one is professional looking photos. Another one is you want to use your daily life photos. You want to make people think they know you personally. So when you are sharing your photos, you make people trust you more. And the better way to do that is you can use videos because that's a more vivid way to showing your personality, right? Another one is you want to send them to your social profile, which include your fan page and or YouTube channel, if you have one. If you don't have one, you have to start building one because that's how people know who you really are. So when people know who you are, they will trust you more, right? Another one is you want to link to your blog and videos, right? So if you have a blog, I found the blog is a really great way to position yourself as an expert. So if you have a blog, people will trust you more, right? So you have to start doing blog, or you have to start using YouTube channel. It's a really powerful way. Another one is tell stories because we all tell story naturally when you are sharing your experience, you are telling a story. So it doesn't have to be a really amazing story, but as long as you tell stories, people will trust. It's like when you are watching Disney movies, it's all made a story, but you unconsciously trust that story, right? Unless you tell yourself, oh, it's all made up stories. Otherwise, you will want to trust them. So that's how telling a story powerful. Another one is you want to share with your life, right? You want to make people think they know you personally. You want to reveal under the scene about your life. Make people think they know you. Another one is the most powerful one. You want to provide value. You want to share the things you learned or your professions to your followers. So you have to do all the things before you send any promotional content. And that's how people trust you and make them want to buy from you. So that's a tip for today. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.